Oh, it's lesson 5, J2. Oh, I wasn't expecting J2. I don't see a lot of them here, people. So, yeah, open up here. Let's go. Lesson number 5. Remember, we started and we're doing our tape diagrams and we were just labeling and we saw a key word yesterday and I've got a box there on my screen. And that's that word of total. So we had to make sure we put that number with both of the boxes. What's going to end up showing here today is not total. There's total, the 192 that's there off to the side. Yeah, all right. We're going to see something a little bit different that's here. Okay? And so we're going to see that in example number 2. And this is the reason why we like the tape diagrams to be right up against each other. We don't like what they've done here. All right? So I don't want to redraw the 14 boxes over, and I'm sure you don't want either. So we're going to use it. But because when I go in here and I read through it there, all right, Superintendent of Highways, interested in the number of commercial vehicles that use the county's highways, he obtains information from the Department of Motor Vehicles for the month of September and finds that, oh, here we go, key phrases, for every, hello, ratio, 14 non-commercial vehicles, there were 5 commercial vehicles. So what we're talking about commercials here is we're kind of like talking like work trucks in a way, nothing about that, but work vehicles, I should say. So 14 non-commercial vehicles there. So I'll put an NC that's there. I know they wrote it out. I'm big into the abbreviations. And then right underneath it, I'm not going to use this one here. We're going to put the 5 right underneath it so they can match up because it's going to help us with what's going on here. So again, I got the 14 boxes because of the ratio. I got the 5 because of the ratio there. And that's commercial vehicles. I'm just going to put a C that's there. Now here we go. If there were 108 more, 108 more. Okay, so not 108 non-commercial vehicles, not 108 commercial vehicles, not 108 in total, but 108 more. So where are there more boxes at? Well, here we go. People put that line in there. All right, yeah. That's where there are more. So it's right here that gets labeled as the 108. So we've got to make sure that we're labeling based on the words that they have given us. And we're going to have those particular key words that are there. So you can reach for the calculator that's there. And we need to take that 108. And what should we divide it by? No, not 14. Oh, you didn't say 14? 5. No, not 5. Look at the visual. How many boxes is it covering? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 boxes. Yeah. Sorry, I should have given you visuals there. Right. So we're going to take that 108 and we're going to divide it by the 9. I'm reaching for a calculator. I was trying to clear things out. I guess I should have been able to do the mental math. But hey, again, I don't mind reaching for the calculator in situations that are like this. We're dividing it by the 9, and we get 12. So 12 is what each box is worth. The question wants to know how many of each type. So they want both of them there. So if each box is worth 12, and the non-commercial boxes have 14, well, we're going to do 14 times 12. All right, we can punch that on into our calculator, and we get 168. So we get 168 non-commercial vehicles. And again, I'm fine with the abbreviations that are there. And then there were 5 of the other ones. So if I'm going to do the 5 times the 12, that's going to give me 60. So it's going to be 60 commercial vehicles. And again, I don't mind the abbreviation that's there. So again, it's the labeling. More. Where are there more boxes? Draw that visual line in there so that you can see it. All right, let's go. Let's see. No, thank you. All right, here we are. All right. The ratio of the number of people who own a smartphone to the number of people who own a flip phone is 4 to 3. Oh my goodness, flip phones, people. Flip phones. I was slow. I was slow to get out of the flip phone years ago. I read that because everyone started texting. And if you haven't texted on a flip phone, well, ask your parents. Maybe they know about texting on a flip phone. Maybe they don't. I don't know. I still remember the pain there. Anyway, let me get back on track here. So they gave me a ratio of 4 to 3. So I can get my 4 boxes down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not the best of sizing that I've done before, but it'll work. And then 3. So I'm going to match it with the 3, and there we go. Got to keep things in order, okay? Number of people who own a smartphone, 2. Remember, 2 is a key word there when separating our ratios, who own a flip phone. Okay, so smartphone and then flip phone, okay? 500 more people own a smartphone. I'm going right down here. 500 more, okay? More. Where's the more? Well, it's right there, all right? They each have 3 boxes. So when I label it there, it's only from here to here. So how much is each box worth? Well, yeah, it's just the 500 for each box. There's only one box. It's labeled as 500, 500 in each box. So when it comes to smartphones, there were 4 of them, and there were 500 in each box. So that means we're dealing with a total of 2,000. 4 times 500. Elementary school, 4 times 5. And again, there's your hundreds. So 4 times 5 is your 20, and then we've got our hundreds that are there. Flip phone, there were 3 of them. So 3 times the 50. Man, that was bad. 150 for your flip phone. So again, the big thing here is watch the labeling. More, okay, where are there more boxes at? Total, it's got to go with all the boxes. And then maybe they individually label it there. You just need to watch the labeling that you're dealing with. All right? Hey, that's it, people. I got to go get the baby. It's crying. We'll see you later.